Now we're going to learn how to draw the mouth. The mouth proportions are from the center of the eye down. So that's the widest the mouth is going to be. You don't want your mouth to be narrower than your nose. So you have somewhere between here and here that's going to be the edge of your mouth, okay? Then this line that we put in halfway between the nose and the chin is going to be the center of the lips, where the lips come together. If you really are a good portrait artist and you want to try drawing teeth, you can certainly try that, but at this point I'm just going to show you with the mouth closed and fairly dull expression wise, because that's much easier. The more you try to do with the mouth to express things, the more difficult it gets, obviously. So if this is where our lips come together, this is going to be the darkest shadow. And I'm going to establish a line here that's equal on each side. I can go, again, I said as wide as this or as narrow as the nose, but not narrower than the nose, okay? About halfway between the bottom of the nose and this line, we're gonna start in with our lip. Now everybody's lips are different, but most lips have some kind of depression in the center. Okay, it can be V-shaped, it can be U-shaped, it can be almost flat and like peak down. It just depends on the person that you're drawing. So you're gonna establish that, and then from there to the corner of the mouth, you're gonna kind of arc down. Most lips kind of come up and then down, so I'd kind of do more of an arc. Some lips, you're gonna get that actually sweep down like that. You're creating a person, you make them look however you want them to look, but I would make them symmetrical, okay? On the bottom lip, again, you're going to come down in the center and you're going to establish how wide you want the bottom lip to be. If they have a bigger bottom lip, then you're going to start down further. If they have a narrower bottom lip, you're going to start up higher. It is up to you and your creative decision making to do that. You're going to start in the center and you're going to come out to up to that corner and up to the corner here. With the mouth, we're gonna there's always kind of a depression here in the center too, and again, that's unique to this shape and the shape of the nostrils and things like that. Your nostrils kind of come up and around usually. Some people's nostrils are more open and some people's are more pinched down small, and it's just a matter of, you know, that person's facial structure, okay? So that's the mouth. We have the ears left. Do we have time for the ears? Okay. So halfway from the eye line to the nose line is our ears. And that's actually a little bit smaller than real life ears. What I do is I start to the inside of this line just a little bit and I come up to meet this line, okay? Because our ears are attached and then they come out. And then the same thing in here. We're gonna come down and around, okay? Your ear has a lot of shapes and structure in it. You have this curl of skin here that kind of tapers off and disappears. You have a C or backwards C shape that kind of comes in, and then I call it like a keyhole. I'm not sure. It's the where your eardrum's down there. And then most people have like either a Y shape or like a C shape inside their ear here that creates some shadows. So we have a number of different shapes that make up your ear. Ears can be kind of complex. The best way to draw an ear is to go look in a mirror and look at the shapes of your ear and see what they are. But your ear is attached to the side of your head and kind of goes back along your head. So that's why we start in a little bit from this line. There we go.